Digital marketing refers to the practice of promoting products or services using digital channels, such as search engines, social media, email, and websites. The goal of digital marketing is to reach and engage with a target audience, increase brand awareness, and generate leads or sales. Some common types of digital marketing include search engine optimization, SEO, pay-per-click, PPC, advertising, social media marketing, email marketing, content marketing, and influencer marketing. Each of these methods uses different strategies and tactics to achieve its goals. Digital marketing has become increasingly important in recent years as more people spend time online and businesses seek to reach them through digital channels. It allows businesses to target specific audiences, measure the effectiveness of their campaigns, and adjust their strategies based on data and insights.